We're going to take a look at the new bull out at Bonnie Springs Ranch. And let's see. Buckles. Uh-oh. Buckles don't seem too happy right now. Buckles. How you doing, Buckles? Yeah, it's a new young bull, and his name is Buckles. They had a huge older long steer that recently passed away, so this is the new kid on the block, and his name is Buckles. Buckles seemed like he had a case of indigestion there for a second. Buckles, I think I see the horns coming out of his head. Does that mean he's the devil? No, it just means he's a bull. Yep. All right, Buckles, gotta go.